video is unboxing and a special breakfast recipe. So the first unboxing, this is a stand for my cylinders. It has wheels. Let's see how sturdy it is. And the other one is something which I have been wanting to buy for quite some time. You can say for about a year or so. I've been wanting to buy this. Let me take it out and then I'll show it to you. Yes, this is the one. It's tightly sealed, it seems. Let me take a scissor and just cut it out first. Here goes the other side as well. Okay, it has a scrubber and plastic, I don't know what is this. And this is a lid, and this is the appam pan or the Paniyaram pan. Okay, this is the lid. It has, and this is the, okay, the screw will get into this one, and this is the lid. Okay, so I'm going to, it is a screw system, right? I'll have to use the screw. Okay, now let's see what is this. This has a pointed tip, I guess, to see whether the Paniyaram is properly cooked or not. And the other side is maybe to just release it from its cavity. It has 12 cavities, as you can see. I'm just waiting to make something with this. I'll have to wash it very nicely first, and then I will get on to the recipe. So here we are the next morning. My Paniyaram pan is clean and ready for my recipe. So first, let's start off by heating some oil in a kadai. After this oil is heated, I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds into it and let it splutter. Once this is done, I'm going to add urad dal and chana dal. This is 1/2 teaspoon each. I'll add this into the oil and fry it for some time till it changes its color. You know, it has to change to light brown. Then I will add the hing. Hing is asafoetida. A little hing into it, about 1/4 teaspoon into the oil, and then you fry it. I'll fry it for some time till it changes its color. Please see that it does not get burnt, otherwise you'll have a very bitter taste. Then I've got some curry patta here, curry leaves. I have green chilies, carrots, capsicum, onion, all finely chopped. If you have some other vegetables, you may add them as well. So first I will add the curry leaves into this oil. So this is the tempering part. I'll fry this. It's fried now. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. Onion first will go into it. I just saute it for some time. No need to brown it. Just for some time I'll saute, and then I'm going to add all the vegetables. Peas can also be added to it. You add all the vegetables. I have done that. And here now I'm going to fry it very nicely. You can keep the flame on medium high and then fry the vegetables. When it is done, I will add the suji or semolina or rava, whatever you may call it, and fry that as well. Mix it very well with the suji. Now if your suji is roasted beforehand, you don't need to fry it too much. Here I had to fry it because it was not roasted. Then I'll add a teaspoon of salt into it and mix it up well. Since my suji is not fried, I'm going to fry this up, roast this up very well till it changes its color slightly. And then this is the type of thing you're going to get after frying. This is the color. Now I'll remove it into another bowl and let it cool. It has to get cooled first. Once it is cooled completely, you will add curd into it. For 1 cup of suji, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of curd. I will mix this up very nicely. The suji is going to absorb all the moisture, and then you can see it has absorbed everything. I'm just going to cover it and keep it like this way for about 5 to 6 minutes. Uncover it, and now I'm going to add water into it. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water. If need be, you may add some more into it, but the consistency has to be like this, like a drop consistency. It shouldn't be too thin, neither too thick. Now the final part, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it up really well. Now we are ready for the next part. You will heat the Paniyaram pans and add little oil into all the cavities. I'm going to add this batter into these cavities. A tablespoon into each cavity will do. Oops. Here all the batter goes into the cavities. Now once this is done, I'm going to cover this pan and put it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Then I will flip these paniyarams. One by one, all the paniyarams have been flipped, and now they are going to cook on the other side. Again, the same process. I'm going to cover it with the lid and keep it for another 5 minutes. Later, you'll remove the cover and the paniyarams are ready to be removed from the pan. One by one, I'm going to use a spoon and take them all out. You can even use this spoon while flipping. With the help of a spoon and a knife, you can easily flip the paniyarams if you don't have that plastic stick. Now I'm going to add little oil into all the cavities again for the second batch of paniyarams. Just 1 or 2 drops of oil into all the cavities. The flame should be low right now. When this gets heated, I'm going to proceed with the batter. I will put the batter again into all these cavities, just the way I did it earlier. 1 tablespoon into all of them. I'm going to cook these paniyarams again the same way by covering and keeping it for 5 minutes. Again flipping, covering and cooking it for 5 minutes again. The same way as I've done it in the previous step. Once that is done, the second batch of paniyarams are also ready to be taken out. And here they are all ready to be served. I've served it with some sambar. Let's enjoy it. Please do like, comment and share, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.